日からヨーロッパへ行くんですけど、ふとした時にヨーロッパのビデオを作ってる日本人いないなと思ったんで、俺いつもヨーロッパ行ってるから地上のヨーロッパの映像を作れたらなと思ったんで、明日からちょっと行ってきます。
I just met this kind woman sitting next to me. Bye. Bye.
Passageiros do próximo carro estão em suas máscaras devem mostrar e colocar máscaras nas crianças que viajam perto de si.
Is it on?
Yes.
まずリスボンに来ました。ここは景色回収って言ってサーフィンのスポットなんだけど、なんかこの景色見てもらったらわかるけど、もうドローン飛ばさざるを得ないでしょっていうことで。Ready?
Let's go!
Their own book, their own movie, their own work.
Guys! Are you guys jumping? I'm gonna film you guys!今日でリスボン最終日なので、ちょっと街を散策していきたいと思います。こうやって見てもらったら分かるけど、めちゃくちゃカラフルなんだよね、街並みが。あとでちょっとたくさん載せていきたいと思います。
Wide to the tail by both surfers at the moment. A clean finish. Fred likes the feel of it. Well, let's watch Fred's again. And
standing there with nothing on, she's gonna pick me up to spare.
Lewandowski for the hat-trick! Off the post! Lewandowski again! And somehow he's put it in! And 3 goals!
Auf geht's, Bayern! Kann ich mal kurz machen? Vielen Dank.
Bonjour. Alors nous voilà devant le bureau royal. Et ici c'est le parc royal et je suis super contente que Jay soit là aujourd'hui avec moi pour visiter Bruxelles.
This is exactly what I was almost going to say. Right now I'm in Brussels. This is first time to be here. I have no idea what Brussels has, but let's see what Brussels offers.
I know I will. I know I will. I know I will. Well, I know I will. Never have you been.
Alright, according to Noemi's mom, this is the best one, right? Let's go. Don't trust your mom.
Yeah, she's my mom. For food, she's the best.
Good.
There's 2 types of Belgian waffles. You have the one from Liège, it's a part of Belgium, so that's the one from Liège.
That's the first one.
Girls who've got all of that depth, well, I do.
How's it? Yeah?
Ok, vous suffit de toucher, c'est magnifique statue quoi.
Okay, if you touch the statues, you get happiness, right? And now it's French.
It's dirty.
I know I will. I know I will. Well, I know I will.
Bonjour, Bruxelles! じゃなくて、ロンドンでした。